Hey, it's Dave Rexroth. Got a Sunday forecast that gets more and more interesting as we get into the afternoon and evening. Now, this morning in Lenawee County, maybe even in Monroe County, there should be some showers and thunderstorms, and likely not severe. Actually, that's a good thing. The longer they stick around, the less energy we have for this afternoon. But the concern is severe storms are a possibility this afternoon, especially from 2 o'clock till about 10 o'clock here. We're technically under a slight risk for that. Now, a tornado is not out of the question, not the concern. Looking at winds, the biggest problem here that could go to 70 miles an hour, perhaps, in some of the strongest storms, and hail that could be an inch or bigger. Both of those obviously can do some damage. Anytime you get a storm in your area, especially later on this afternoon, should bring very heavy rain as well. So flooding's not out of the question, especially the street kind of flooding as they pass by. All right, today's forecast, 88. It'll feel like 92 or 93 with the extra steam factor going on. Lots of humidity, and that's fuel for storms as we go along again. Looking out for the possibility of severe storms 2 o'clock to 10 o'clock this afternoon and through the evening as well. Overnight, 71. It looks like there might be a touch of fog tomorrow to start the day, then 86 with a slight shower chance there as we go along. Here's your 7-day forecast. Staying warm Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, mid-80s. Tuesday, a slight chance of rain. Wednesday, a slight chance for a shower, thunderstorm. And then we cool down and dry off starting Thursday.